On July 3rd, a federal judge down in Mississippi blocked a rule designed to strengthen non-discrimination protections in healthcare. It was back in April that the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services Office for Civil Rights and the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services had issued a final rule under the authority of Section 1557 of the Affordable Care Act. The Fed said the rule was necessary to make sure people in all communities had access to health care free from discrimination. A nationwide block from that judge in Mississippi came just 2 days before the policy was set to go into effect. It originated from a challenge from 15 Republican-led states that said the Biden administration overstepped its authority in issuing this rule. They took issue mostly with the provisions that ban discrimination on the basis of gender identity in healthcare, and the Mississippi judge agreed. The U.S. Department of Health and Human Services disagreed with the ruling. They said their rule was completely in line with recent Supreme Court opinions. Recall, the rule coming out of HHS was designed to do the following: hold the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services health programs activities to the same non-discrimination standards as receipts of federal financial assistance. And for the first time, it was considering Medicare Part B payments as a form of federal financial assistance for the purposes of triggering civil rights laws enforced by the department. It also would do the following: respect federal protections for religious freedom and conscience, respect the clinical judgment of healthcare providers, protect patients from discriminatory health insurance benefit designs made by insurers, include LGBT patients and non-discrimination protections, clarify that non-discrimination requirements apply to health insurance plans, and make clear that the rules also apply to the use of AI. So that ruling coming out of that judge in Mississippi blocks all of those protections. You can bet that conversation is ongoing. We will keep you posted. In the meantime, you could read the decision coming out of Mississippi. We link to it in the description below.